Hi friends. So today we're gonna jump into this whole vibe coding thing, and we noticed that we went through all these vibe coding tutorials on YouTube, and mostly they are very complex. It requires you 12 different AI tools and 11 different subscription, and also it requires your will to live. And so we binged through all these ridiculous numbers of vibe coding tutorials so you don't have to. And I'm gonna be honest, the workflow that everybody shows is kind of complicated and expensive and absolutely not a vibe. But if you want to build a website that is fast, pretty functional, and doesn't require any coding at all, doesn't drain your bank account or any complex tool, well, stick around for a minute. I'm going to show you these two essential AI work tools that honestly feels like cheating. Indie creators, dev designers, people building passion projects, this one is for you. And yeah, I already know you're gonna have some questions, so drop them in the comment section below. All right, so here's what the vibe coders do. They would scroll through Pinterest for aesthetic references. They will ask AI to generate from those references and hop onto another AI tool to build some animations and build in a website in Lovable, Bolt, or Cursor or whatever, and then patch those backend with NA10 or some other services, and then finally go hunting for some hosting services like, I don't know, Vercel or some domains. So why are we doing all that? Why does building a simple vibe coding website feels like filing taxes? So today we're gonna cut off all those stack in half and replacing with Lovable and Skapi. So that's basically it. Just two tools. And to make this fun, we're going to build an actual project that is an online pre-sale platform for a concert tour where people could sign up and join a waitlist for upcoming concert events. So cool idea, easy to build. Let's vibe. So yeah, we are looking at Lovable. We're going to use Lovable and Skapi. So you should already know how to create an account in Skapi and create a service. Here I have mine called waitlist. And once you go into the service, in the vibe coder section, download the skapi.md file and go back to your Lovable page and attach that skapi.md file. And then copy this pre-written prompt below and extend that with your own prompt that tells Lovable to build this online platform for signing up for a ticket sales waitlist. Well, that's it. So it will take some time. So you could just, I don't know, make your coffee and sit back and relax. And once it's done, you will hear this ding sound from Lovable to notify you that it's finished. Okay, now I'm back and I see this finished website. It has this sign up, a sign in, and some newsletter subscription for join waitlist. I could probably go to sign up page and sign on my account. Okay, looks like it's working. But I'm previewing this from the Lovable website. So what I really want to do is I want to host this in my own domain, right? To do that, you need to transfer this whole project to your GitHub page. So you should connect your Lovable project with your GitHub account. So that's what I'm doing here. Add organization. I'm gonna add it to my GitHub organization. And once I confirm with entering my password, my Lovable project will be available in GitHub. Click on transfer anyway. Okay, let's view our project in our GitHub. So here is my Lovable project, the whole code in GitHub. So what I can do is just copy this URL and git clone it to my local computer. Now open up your code from your favorite IDE. In my case, I use VS Code. And since this is a SPA project, you have to install all the npm repositories. So open up the terminal from the VS Code and type npm I. And then to build this project, type npm run build. And once you do that, you will see this folder inside your project folder. Now to host this project, go to Skapi's file hosting, set up your subdomain, and all you got to do is just copy and paste all the files inside your this folder. And once every file is uploaded, you'll be good to go. You can click on this subdomain link and check it out. So your site is live. So you could just test it from our own website that we have hosted. We put the links on the description below. So you could go and test it out, see if it works. The email will land instantly. The authentication will just work. Deployment, we didn't need any Netlify or Vercel. Just copy the disk folder files in Skapi file hosting. And that's it, like literally done. So how far can we push this? This setup is insanely flexible because once the foundation is there, you could pretty much add on whatever you want by prompting to your AI. And you could ask your AI to build some full user dashboards, tour date updates, your spot in a waitlist, login sign-up flows, admin panels for restricted access, push notification, whatnot, some more aesthetic for artistic purposes, and so on. You could even skip Lovable entirely and just work on just basic HTML with Cloud Code or ChatGPT codecs. So yeah, that's the basic whole process, and we basically rebuilt the vibe coding workflow and cut the fluff and did it using only AI and Skapi. So if you get stuck, please comment. Seriously, we do reply. And tell me what part you want to dive deeper in, or tell me what kind of feature you want to build next. Make sure you subscribe because we always upload these cool videos and we're always building something more advanced and complex. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. So all right, friends, thanks for hanging out. Now go and build something cool.